Have you tried putting some milk over the vermicelli before? Today we're making the trendy vermicelli in hot milk. It's very fast to make and very suitable for the winter. In a small pot, melt some butter and add 1 cup of vermicelli. This is the vermicelli that we use for cooking. Continue to mix over medium heat until it takes a golden color. Add some butter as it shouldn't be dry. It should be frying in the butter like this. This way you will make sure it will take a very good flavor. When you see the color like this, turn down the heat and now we will add the milk. Add 2 to 3 cups of hot milk. We will add it gradually. We will not add it one time because you may not need all the quantity. Now add 4 to 5 tablespoons of sugar and mix it very well. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon and mix it very well. Now it's an optional step, but if you want it thicker, you can add 2 tablespoons of ashta cream. It's canned smoothie cream that we find in the grocery store. You can search for this term and you'll see how it looks. But as I told you, it's optional and you can continue without it. Now for the final step, add some rose water and orange blossom water. If you don't have it, you can add some vanilla. Now, as I said before, we will add the milk gradually. You can serve it like this, but I like to add some milk to make it thinner, because the vermicelli will continue to absorb the milk and it will be drier. You can see how it looks very delicious, warming, and very suitable for the winter. Serve it directly when it's hot and enjoy this delicious warm dessert. Decorate it with some pistachio if you want and serve it. It's very simple to make yet very delicious. And I will make another presentation for you if you want to put it in a cup like this. It's very special to serve it like this. It's like a hot drink, but you will eat it. I will decorate with some Biscoff butter, it's optional of course, and some walnuts on the top. I hope you liked today's recipe. Try it and let me know your opinion. صحتين وهنا.